Guraj Singh Shahpuri. I'm a trainer and coach, and I am forever grateful to Arpit for this wonderful workshop that he's conducting for you guys. And I attended the same workshop about a year ago, and it really transformed me. Firstly, I became financially literate, or what I would like to think I became financially literate. Number two, it put me on this path of wanting to know a lot more about financial markets and equity and things. Now, I'm not blind to these things. I've had a lot of exposure to these things, but I didn't have the confidence to actually go deeper into it until I attended this session. And you guys, your journey has just begun. And I've attended so many things after this that have to do with this one workshop that Arpit created. That was the basis of everything. So I'm grateful to you, Arpit, for this. Another thing is that I deeply understood the relationship between assets and liabilities. Now, it was an eye-opener to me beyond I could believe, because all those dreams about expensive cars and vacation homes and things now out the window. I don't want any of those things because they're liabilities. And I know that instead of buying a home in Goa, I can go and stay at the best hotels for the rest of my life and be better off, because those properties wouldn't have really appreciated the way my money would be appreciating, where I would put it more sensibly. Now, speaking of that, I also understood that a lot of the properties I own some rental properties and I own other properties as assets. I understood these properties were liabilities on me because they were not even beating inflation. 10% is the inflation that you and I go through. It's not that 4 or 5%. And now I know I should cash out of those and put the money elsewhere, maybe in somewhere that's liquid, but at least I can go back into real estate when I need to if the market starts to look like it's getting hot. So thanks, Arpit, for all these wonderful takeaways, and I'm forever grateful to you. You've changed me forever. Thanks, buddy.
So guys, it was an excellent session with Arpit, and the best thing is all about following your passion. So as most of the people who know me, they know that I actually started technology business, leaving my family business, which is manufacturing of fragrance products. And the most difficult thing about that was to, a constant worry in the back of your mind that how you will be taking out your expenses, and at the same time you wanted to pursue your passion. So what Arpit has shown to me today is a way, by planning my finances in a systematic way, I can actually rid myself of this continuous background noise and get a passive income, and then focus my efforts totally on my passion. And once I am able to do that, I think I will be able to do wonders for my passion and definitely reach new heights. So excellent session, Arpit, and my congratulations on this first session, and I wish you the best of luck, and encourage everyone to definitely participate in the future sessions going to be done by Arpit. Thank you.